Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Walmart parking lot and my eyelashes are flickering. You know, we don't have that in Canada.
Okay, oh, there's no Burlington there?
No.
Oh.
So if you're in Toronto or Canada or whatever like that, the closest one is Buffalo.
Okay guys, welcome back to JVLOGS. Day 2. Headed on the road now. I know you guys didn't see Tisha. She's here now, and she's a driver. Say hello, guys. So, going on the road, I think we're going to Walmart to get some stuff. Wally World, don't know. I haven't even vlogged in a car in a long time. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these vlogs and stuff. And you guys show you outside how this place looks today because it's raining.
Then turn left onto Genesee Street.
Oh, that person didn't go. So that's the airport over there. Yeah,
in
it's raining.
Continue straight to stay on Genesee Street.
So yeah, so we're out and about. It's raining and all. I just going to see how the place looks. And you know, just enjoy. The guys, oh yeah, man, I did the first vlog when I was coming from New York.
Am I going straight?
Yeah, man, you're going straight. Alright guys, so we're in Wally World. Show you myself, Tish. Makeup on point. Everything fleek.
Just picked up some window wipers.
Windscreen wiper. You know Walmart has the best deals. Yeah. So you have to come to Walmart.
Can you believe these are $9 and in Canada these are $25?
$25 in Canada for them. It's crazy. So Walmart is actually affordable for the same brand, right?
Yeah.
The same brand products, they get them cheaper here. You know. Let's look at the cameras they have. So this is where I buy my first camera. And then I have the GoPros and stuff.
Your camera's here too?
Remember this line? Remember the little digital one? That's like
no flip.
Yeah, no flip. And then these ones are not even up to par to the one that, you know.
Yeah, doesn't make sense.
Yeah, that makes sense for so much money. It's best to just go on eBay. Look at this Canon here. But this is what I want.
A GoPro?
Yeah. Listen, let me be straight with you guys, because you guys don't understand. You guys don't understand the cost of things and living. I need a sugar mama. I need a cougar.
You need a wife.
Need a wife, a cougar, to take care of me. Black and sexy. Come buy me a camera. Yeah, but I love
but they're cheap though.
They're cheaper now?
Yeah, well, this is reasonable.
Yeah, it's reasonable. But you can't get the same price for this. Says it? Mm-hmm. It's just action camera, so you need, you know, action camera, waters, all of that, water part. Yeah, but it's cool. I have this one. But it's limited. Very, very limited. Can't really do much with it. And then the battery life dies so quick. Yeah. So that's the ultimate one. That's a grey one. Oh yeah. Okay.
How are we doing today, guys?
Hi.
Good. Quick questions. Do you guys pay national grid for your electricity at home?
Oh no.
I'm not from here.
No,
Oh, okay. No problem. So you guys enjoy your day.
Oh, you too. Guys, if you pay national grid, just link those ladies. probably some electric company. Yeah. Baby stuff. Checking out some baby section. Baby suits.
I just had a baby.
Tell the people them. Oh baby. Oh god. Yeah, that looks nice. It's small? But it says a boy.
Yeah, it's so small for 24 months.
Yeah. Depends on his size.
At the rate that he's growing, it looks like he's moving from cow foot.
Oh. See, I call him man foot big already. You hear that, Sonny? Auntie calling a big foot. Okay. You see him eat a lot. Lot of milk. Lot of milk. If you guys, you know, if you guys have if you guys have baby, or you know, want to give away a baby, don't know, or if you don't want to have my baby, don't know. Yeah, can link me. Cause I have all Burlington, yeah, because I have all the baby needs and wants. Can provide them. You have all their supplies. Got all of them to give. All my life. Yeah. Alright guys, so forward.
So guys, my window wipers are done. The rubber came off. So Mr. Mark is going to help me put on these new wipers on my car. Let's see how he can do it. So you have to just...
So they just go over? Or...
No, you have to just...
slide out?
And then,
oh, you can go that way too?
And then you have to just... It slides down or something like that. I don't know. No, this has to pull off because remember this is hooked on to that.
Oh, it's hooked on?
Yeah.
Oh.
You see it?
Yeah. But there's no release though.
There is.
There's a release?
You have to just flick it up or something.
Like that?
Like there's a...
Yeah, there's a quick release in the button.
Probably it's like hard because it's You only want to watch it on YouTube for a quick second to see?
Because I'm thinking that I don't know which part will come out.
It's a hook.
It's a hook?
Yeah. And it just...
I'm clicking the hook, you know.
Okay, let's watch YouTube.
No man, I see where it can come out.
Okay. Let's see.
Pull it.
A key?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm like referring back to YouTube. You see, YouTube is so important.
YouTube is vital.
Girl, guys, I want to be able to do this by myself. Let me come back when everything is worked out properly. Got it?
No, the hook is there. Show me the hook. Yes, guys. So figure out how to do it. You have to pull down and push up, but it was a bit.
It was a bit, see how rusty my thing is? Get some new brand ones. Brand new.
It's locking mechanism.
That can do stuff. Because, guys, I was in need of changing my wipers. Look at it. Rusty as hell. You're seeing what you're doing?
The place is so
okay. We are in a Walmart parking lot and my eyelashes are flickering. I love my eyelashes big, guys. If it ain't big, I ain't working with it. Okay, back to your jelly bean and gingerbread host. Frida, the camera, Frida. Yeah, but usually, you know, it has a string on the side that you can hold it on. I like to put my hand over it, right?
Alright guys, so we fix it. We're back in the car. I put on the windscreen wiper and this is the result.
Let's see if Mark did a good job, guys. Oh my god, it's a miracle! It's working.
It's working.
It's working.
So it's clear. So you see, spray the water and it clean it nice and clean.
And it's very clear.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yay! So, job well done.
I'm so happy because you guys seen the old rusty ones.
Yeah, the old one was rusty.
Baby girl, that was not it.
Alright, so I head out back on the road now.
Yeah, we're gonna go to a Burlington Coke factory because you know we don't have that in Canada.
Okay, oh, there's no Burlington there?
No.
Oh.
So if you're in Toronto or Canada or whatever like that, the closest one is Buffalo.
Buffalo, okay.
Or
and
Niagara
then that's
Falls.
a good drive.
It's about like an hour and 45 minutes depending on traffic.
Traffic, yeah, on traffic.
So you know, drive after.
There's a Burlington close to me, close to Walmart as well, in Queens. So we go over there in Walmart and go over to the Burlington, Ashley Furniture and all those at the mall. There's Macy's and a lot more over there at the mall.
And we don't even have a Macy's either over here.
You guys don't have a Macy's?
No. We have Marshalls.
Marshalls.
Yeah,
we have Marshalls. So Marshalls always have discounted stuff, like good stuff, and shoes and stuff like that. You can get like good shoes in Marshalls for like $25, $30, $40.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's cool though. Alright, so we're gonna head on the next journey and then vlog some more for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy these vlogs. Interesting. That's the first time fixing a windshield wiper, changing over one.
Thank God for YouTube University.
Yeah, YouTube University, really. And it's easy. That's the funny thing. You just have to have like knowledge, just a little knowledge of it. Like watch a YouTube video and basically, because the way I was trying to pull it up, I never know which way it go because it's a hook. like this, you have
A
to
J
pull
hook.
down a J hook, so you have to pull down to basically get out, and you're done.
Can you believe if Mark wasn't here to help me, I would have paid somebody to do it, and most likely they're charging me $50 to $60 to do it?
Yeah, just to
Because
put on
me,
a shoe
as a
rifle.
female, when it comes to cars, I'm like, mechanic, here, do it. I don't
Yeah.
have time. I watch it on YouTube, but I was trying to figure it
Still,
out. It
yeah,
wasn't helping me,
it
so
wasn't helping.
I would have just went back home and made somebody do it for me. Because
Yeah.
honestly, she don't have the time.
So literally she save money right there instantly
Yeah.
over something that takes like 5 minutes or less.
2 minutes.
Like 2 minutes. I literally change the windscreen wiper. It takes like 2 minutes,
Yeah.
surprisingly. So, you know, just go on YouTube if you want to learn stuff and get information. Just do it on your
YouTube
own.
University.
You know, it's a good thing. So, yeah. Alright, guys. So, we'll soon come back. Go up on the road again. Hey, guys. So, we're back at it again. We're in Burlington this time. Checking out stuff. I like.
You could move around because I'm gonna.
Oh, yeah, man, they can do it. So she's over there. And I'm just gonna walk around actually in the ladies section, doing our ladies garments. And I'm just over here in my little section, doing my little thing. So yeah, I'm doing my little thing. My little section over here. But yeah. So if you guys enjoying these vlogs, I like it. I like my vlogs that are coming up properly. And think I'm hungry, I want some food right now. You should get one of them set here, bed set. Need to get a bed set and stuff. Yeah. So when we come back when I have more action, camera action. So look out for the vlog, alright? Look out for the vlogs. Look out for episode 1, 2, 3. Ensure that you guys subscribe and share for more. So yeah, see you guys soon. Come back. Alright, hey guys, we're back. We're back in the car. Went to Burlington.
How do you get anything?
She got a soda. She didn't see what she liked. But I got a shoes. Oh, you want to look for it? Look for it. Military. What's going on?
He just dashed her that thing.
Yeah, they're rebels. All crosses people. Anyway, guys, I bought a shoes. Sorry, white background. I bought a shoes. I think it's wonderful. Tommy Hilfiger. I know a lot of people won't support them, but it's just a white shoes that I want. So, because I know the man that owns it is racist, right? Yeah, he's racist. A lot of people boycotting Tommy. Allegedly. Yeah, allegedly racist. We know how it go. Most of them are, naturally. But yeah. So basically, it's a really good shoes, and it was $41, and I got it for $31 after tax. So a really good investment. I saved. So now I have a white shoes, and yeah. So we're on to the next place, food time, because we're hungry. So soon come back. So guys, we're here, we're at the mall, we're dead tired. Wanted to go to Niagara Falls, at Military Road right now. We wanted to go to Niagara Falls, but it's raining. And we're dead tired. Honestly, we're tired and we can't make it to Niagara Falls. But the vlog, we're looking forward to it. I'm going to edit it. We're looking forward to it. It's really good. We enjoyed making it. So I was looking, forward to the end product, and I'm going to do my best with the editing to spice it up, emojis, everything, sound effects, to just make it really nice for you to enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoying the vlog. I'm doing as much as I can to vlog as much, put all the effort, even though I'm not used to it that much. But I hope you guys enjoy the topics that we talk about. And so we're going to head back down now. Battery dying as well, so the blinking. First time we've seen the battery dying on this, so that's a good indicator. So another experience. It's time to go. Show, push it out. So catch you guys later. Thanks for watching JVLOGS.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known.